So now we're going to check out this place called S1 Pool Hall and Sports Bar. It's a place that just opened. It's like the size of a Costco, and it's huge. It's got tons of pool tables upstairs, dart boards. It's just a gigantic place. So, they have TVs everywhere, ping pong. So these are some of the pictures of what it looks like online. It just opened, only been open 2 weeks. So we're going to take a motorcycle taxi over there and we're going to go check it out. Saturday night, Soy Bacao. There we go. Always traffic. That's why I take a motorcycle taxi, but don't want to take a car. We're stuck in traffic forever. This is Tree Town right here. I'm just going down the road, check out this new pool hall, sports bar the size of Costco. You can see how crowded it gets. This bar right here, Scooter's Bar, I hang out there, it's pretty cool. They play 60s music all the time, it's not bad. It's packed in there. I know all the bartenders in there, of course. You guys have to understand that this place has more bars per square inch than any place in the world. This is LK Metro, another great street. There's a million streets like this. Metal band playing. I go down to Kung's and get breakfast down there. That's a good spot. They have good English breakfast sausages. Here, yeah. Okay, we're here. Look at this place, it's huge. It goes all the way in the back. We're here, let's go check it out. Let's go in, have a drink, see what's happening. Oh my God, this place is huge. Look at this crazy shit. Wow, pretty wild. I guess right here they're playing beer pong. Oh, these are the dartboards. It's pretty cool. Nice.